try to solve this question. So we're taking a square root of 0.99999 with the infinite number of 9s behind it. And then what's going to be the value, right? What's going to be the value? If you think that this solution is 0.3333, that kind of thing, then with the infinite number of 3's, then that's completely wrong, right? That's completely wrong. It's impossible. It's impossible, right? Because this number is so close to 1. If you take a square root of it, it's the solution of the square root of 1 should be equal to 1, right? And this number is very, very close to 1. And then taking a square root of it should still be very, very close to 1, right? But let's see how we can actually get the solution, right? So let's denote A equals to 0.9 with 9 infinite number of 9's lasting forever, right? So we're going to use this dot to represent their infinite number of 9's that's going to last forever, right? And now let's multiply 10 on both sides of this equation. So 10a is going to equal to what? It's going to equal to, if you multiply this thing with 10, what you're going to get is 9.9 with the second 9 repeating forever, right? Now let's subtract these two equations, right? Let's subtract equation 1 from equation 2, right? So 10a subtract a, we're going to get what? We're going to get 9a, right? So 9a is going to equal to what? So we are using this number subtract this number, right? So this is this dot 9 with 9 repeating forever is going to cancel out, right? And then 9 subtract 0 is going to be 9, right? So what are we going to get? A equals to 1. Are you surprised? Are you surprised? So here we have defined A equals to 0.9 with 9 repeating forever, right? But here we have derived A equals to 1, right? So what does it mean? Does it mean 0.9 with 9 repeating forever equals to 1? Is that true? Let's think about it, right? Let's think about it. But if suppose A equals to 1, then what's going to be the square root of A, right? What's going to be the square root of A? The square root of A is going to equal to the square root of 1, which is going to equal to 1, right? And for this test question, the standard answer was actually 1, right? This is actually one of the questions for a college entrance exam in China. So the standard solution for that particular question is actually 1, right? So if you answer 1 here, then you're going to get all the points. But we do have this dilemma over here. Are these two numbers identical?